Okay.
Irish Rovers.
Tell the folks what we're looking at here, Alyssa.
Okay, this is a homemade baby food. We have sweet potato, chicken, celery, onion, and garlic.
Mmm.
And it was created by the Nana.
Nana. Alright, this is what matters. Now, the first reaction is always one of hatred. What do you think, buddy? That's chicken and sweet potato. You love sweet potato.
Let's try again.
Try one more.
Let's try again because your first bite of everything is hatred.
Yummy.
Oh, that's better.
A little less hatred. The consistency is a little different.
I think he likes it.
Yeah.
Kind of. Let's go for another one. What are you doing?
You want to swallow that one. Maybe not.
Well, sometimes he does this and then he doesn't end up minding it.
Hey, buddy. Gabriel. One more. Okay. He has voiced his disdain through the pants. Alright. That's alright. Okay. No more, buddy. We'll try again. We'll try again tomorrow. Sometimes you like it better the next day.
You're opening up.
I'll try one more. You're looking at me like, why are you letting her do this?
Just wondering why this black box is watching me eat.
Alright. So chicken and sweet potatoes. To be determined, maybe. Alright. Say bye, Gabriel. Say bye. Bye. Chew on your finger. Good boy.